Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're doing a cool project with these toilet paper rolls. Are you ready to get started? Let's get started. Hey, by the way, I lost my second tooth this week. I'm getting older. Those my teeth. Here goes tips. First project we decided to do was the owl. We started off with the feathers. Then we had to start making the eyes. Circles aren't easy to cut, but you have to practice. Then we wrap the paper roll with brown paper. We do it with a glue stick. And we created the ears. Then we glued the eyes together. Then we made a beak. Then we started now adding the feathers together. One strip at a time. Then we made a beak and added the beak. Then the eyes. Now we just need some wings. These are much easier to cut. Then we attach the wings, and that's all done. On to the next one. We decide to make a fox. We started by wrapping the paper roll with orange paper. Then we added white to the ears. Then a little bit of white to the face. Then the nose. To finish off the face, we added some googly eyes. Then we work down the tail. You get a long orange piece and you put a white piece at the end. Then you attach it to the roll. Then you attach the face to the roll, and you're all done. Hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Adios, amigos. Make sure to click the subscribe button.